Today I'm looking at a fountain pen I picked up from Five Below. This pen comes as a calligraphy set with everything you need to get started except for a pad of paper. There are two different pens, both demonstrators, one in transparent blue and the other in clear. Along with this you will receive 4 extra nib units pre-installed in the grip section, each a different size stub nib ranging from 0.7 to 2.9 millimeters. You will also receive a number of different colored ink cartridges. From the ones I've tried so far, the ink is fairly diluted and can feel a bit odd when putting it to paper. In the writing sample, I'm using the clear demonstrator with the 2.5 millimeter nib.